Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacino. If you're new here, please subscribe, please ring the bell, please share our content, please follow us on Path_Trading on Twitter, and help like the videos or dislike the videos. Just we're trying to expand the channel. What are we looking at with Nikola? Again, we were watching that little mini double top. Not tradable because it pretty much gapped open down, traded to the first profit-taking target, and then ran back up. So this, since you couldn't have gotten in unless you were trying to front run it, it was just interesting to see how it played out, spiking through our 32.48 level. I'm going to go up in time frame for the key area we're watching. Let me mark it off here. All right, right around this 40.10 mark, you can see it's got some minor significance. It's the declining 50 right there. Rotation zone's gone flat. Looks like it's going to get the first cross, and this would be the most recent swing high. A run up above that swing high would be a really nice move into what we call a clear path with a gap in there. So, I'd be watching for first the gamma 47.78, then for the full gap fill. Key support, if we do run down, I'm going to be watching right about 32.80. Then if we drop below that, $29. What's more interesting is the upside. Here's what we are looking at. So, you know what else I'm going to do? I'm going to put on our little GAN levels. So that right in front of that 40.10 is the top of the daily rotation zone. So if we spike and hit above 40.10 and drop back down, I'm really going to watch where it closes. Okay, because if it closes above the rotation zone, then we'll definitely start watching for higher prices, because we also have the cross of the 4-hour rotation zone. If it spikes it up and reacts and closes back in the rotation zone, then it is still in bearish mode on the daily. So the peak was 39.81. I'm really going to be watching above that 40.10 level. That'll bypass a bunch of stuff. Then we'll be watching 41.16 and 42.50 area. Watch this 50 depending on when if we get the move up, because if that comes in with that 40.16 area, that's really the level I'll be focused on, at least for stop raising. That's what we have for you for Nikola, and I'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.